In preparation for the 2016 elections, political leaders have resorted to harboring lump sum amounts of money as fixed deposits, thereby holding free cash flow, a reason for the 5.4% level of inflation.
Like I've said earlier, that the issues of campaign electioneering is affecting the shillings because many people have saved money. This money is kept somewhere, including myself. I've saved money for campaign purposes.
Wangolo blamed foreign investors for the increased CBR, attesting to the fact that proceeds from their investments that are returned to their home countries, leaving a shortage in central bank reserves.
The banker interest rates are high simply because they tried to reduce it to ensure that shillings do appreciate. That has not succeeded, and that's why they decided to increase, such that they talk to the commercial banks also to stabilize their interest rates.
Jacob Wangolo, however, foresees a Uganda with stable economic performance in terms of reduced prices and favorable exchange rates after 2016.
Uganda, we are progressing, and I know the future of our country will be okay, only that we need to do some bit of some calculations as for the economy to grow.